welcome to my channel Let's Encode the Logic. I am thrilled to embark on this coding journey with you. First and foremost, let me share a bit about myself. I have been immersed in the world of coding for the past 3 years, and it has been an incredible journey of continuous learning, problem solving, and creativity. My mission is to make coding accessible, enjoyable, and rewarding for everyone. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just getting started, this channel is a place for you to explore the fascinating realm of coding. So, what can you expect from this channel? We will be diving into a variety of coding tutorials, challenges, interview tips and tricks, as well as we discuss some famous coding problems encountered in the interviews. Together, we will delve into problem solving using a brute force approach and implement the solutions. My primary goal is to guide beginners into the coding world and help shape their future endeavors. I hope to receive your support on this journey. If you are excited about the endless possibilities that coding offers, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and join our community. And hey, this channel is not just about me talking to you, it's about us engaging in a conversation. I want to hear your thoughts, questions, and suggestions. Feel free to drop a comment below. Let's build a community that's as dynamic and diverse as the coding world itself. I am genuinely thrilled to have you here, and I can't wait to explore the exciting world of coding together. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and until next time, happy coding. Thank you.